Yeah, you got 30 minutes.
Great.
And left turn at the lights.
The lights, okay.
Yeah. So different color snow means different things. Like the different powdery white snow.
Yeah.
You know? So right about here, you want to make sure you leave enough space here, just in case you do get rear-ended, then at least you won't get pushed into that car in front of you.
Right.
And if you step on the brake too hard as you're stopping in the snow, you might slide.
Yeah, I've done that already.
Okay, good.
I've done that already. That's
You found that out, eh?
Yeah. In Hong Kong, we never had snow, so ABS was just a novelty.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but here, like, first thing I noticed that, I want ABS, please.
ABS is good.
Yeah.
So are steel-studded tires here too. That's what we have. Reduces the risk a lot.
Yeah.
So, anticipating yellow lights. There's a point of no return, which if it turned yellow now, we'd just keep on rolling, right?
Right, sure.
This light, I don't know how long it's been green, so it may turn yellow. Just be prepared for that. Right. If it turns yellow at this point, we could still stop. At this point, we can't. And we'll go ahead and make a left lane change when you think it's safe and possible. We can see. Fresh green. You see the walk light over there?
Yeah.
The crosswalk light? If you see one of those as you're approaching the intersection, you know the light's going to stay green.
Right.
The next one, you see it flashing. It was flashing. The orange hand is flashing. Okay. Be prepared, the light may turn yellow.
Right.
So I'm always scanning the intersections ahead of time.
Right.
And trying to anticipate those yellow lights. Because yellow means stop, right?
Right. That's also something that's a new set of rules to make, because back in Hong Kong, when the car's on green light, everyone else on red.
Mm-hmm.
So the pedestrians won't ever get to use the road at the same time as the cars. So I had situations where I am on green light and then I see the side, I see the pedestrian light on walk, and then I like, what? I was like, God.
Oh man.
Yeah. Like, am I running the light or what? No. What's happening? Yeah, that's something like a complete new set of rules here.
You see the walk light just came on? The light turned green?
Yeah.
So no surprise yellows that way.
Right. That's a good hint. Thank you.
This light here, it's a crosswalk light, so I look for people standing at the button to push the button.
Right.
As soon as they push the button, the light turns yellow immediately. So it's like sometimes you get the teenagers that push the button, they look at you and you know, So we're going to turn left here at the lights.
Right, sure.
And in this case here, you could go ahead and signal left. Here, shoulder check, perfect. Yeah, you can cut in there, perfect. It all depends on the line of traffic, eh?
Right.
Left turn signal. And we got a countdown timer on this one here. We got 5 seconds left before their light turns yellow. These larger intersections are nice. There's a pattern to them. It's all counterclockwise.
Yeah, I noticed, but I just haven't got used to
how things turns yellow. And then the blue car, all the left turning cars are gonna see. He's gonna go.
Right.
He's gonna go.
Right. Then they're going to go straight, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of noticed that.
Yeah, and then
it will be left turn on this
for you and the blue truck. Yeah,
right,
that's right. So it's like counterclockwise.
Mm.
Same with the rights of ways at minor intersections and stop signs. It's all counterclockwise. If you all get there at the same time, the person to your right gets to go first. So it's all like this.
Yeah, I remember reading that in the rules.
Mm-hmm.
add something also like we need to speed. For us, it's only like if you have the stop sign, you always give way, and if you don't have a stop sign, you always go. And we don't have four-way stops.
Not everybody obeys the rules here, so that's
that's
that's what we got to be
a little
careful
bit of guesswork.
Yeah,
But in general, I find people are actually quite polite in a way that they do. I find the majority of people respect that.
they're courteous.
Yeah.
You get the odd few that are very aggressive and dangerous drivers, you know.
Yeah, occasionally.
Yeah. So you notice the crosswalk over here,
Yeah.
and of course I'm just scanning for pedestrians, being
Sure.
prepared. If you needed to stop for a pedestrian, there's these triangles right on the ground. That's where you stop for them. If you've seen the triangles, the white triangles on the ground is your stopping position.
I take
Yeah,
left,
go
right?
ahead. Yeah. So I'm just preparing for a yellow light here, checking the rear view mirror. And if it turned yellow now, we'd still have time to stop. See, this beginning of the solid white line is generally is your point of no return.
Right.
When you reach that solid white line, then it's no longer safe to stop for the yellow light. Then we look for big black turtles here. Yeah. They actually had to stop the construction of the roundabout here and move the turtles. Took about 3 years.
Yeah.
Or 3 months.
This is a good thing about Western country, like Western culture country.
Yeah.
They do respect wildlife and
Yeah.
do things accordingly. That's
Yeah, they have
not gonna happen in China. No, no friggin' way. Oops. So I should take this off.
Yeah.
And
Well, it'll go off by itself, so
okay.
when it goes
So I
off.
just go off like this.
Yeah, and then get your
then-
speed right up to 80. And then
Oh, but I also do the automatic change, right?
Yeah, exactly. You got her. Okay, good. So you got that.
Like picking up to 80 and doing the automatic change, it should be roughly at the same time, right?
Yeah, when it's safe if possible.
Okay.
As you're picking up your speed, if it's
that's
possible
what
to
I'm
make
saying.
your right lane change, then go ahead.
Right.
You just want to control it. Do you know how to calculate following distance?
I just do the old school pick whenever the front car go past a thing.
That's old school. I'm old school too.
Okay.
Perfect. So right here, this guy here won't take long to get 6 or more seconds because he's going much faster than we are.
Right.
But when he reaches that yellow sign there up ahead, I'll start counting, see what we actually have. So 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, bang on. That's exactly what it looks like at 6 seconds here.
Right.
At 80 kilometers an hour. And on wet roads, it's okay to even increase your following distance even more than that. So right now, you got maybe about 10 seconds following distance. Let's go ahead and make a left lane change.